Hi, this is Nisha from gagabtubi.com. Our website is free classified search engine for importers and exporters. Okay, let's go to the topic.
Dubai is a global hub for import and export business due to its strategic location, world-class infrastructure, and business-friendly environment. Here are key points to consider if you're looking to start an import-export business in Dubai. 1. Market research. Identify your market. Research the demand for products in Dubai and the surrounding regions. Competitor analysis. Understand your competition and market positioning. 2. Legal requirements. Company formation. Decide on the type of company you want to establish, e.g., free zone company, mainland company, offshore company. Licenses. Obtain the necessary licenses from the Department of Economic Development, DED, or the relevant free zone authority. 3. Free zones. Advantages: 100% foreign ownership, tax exemptions, full repatriation of profits, and import-export duty exemptions. Popular free zones for trading: Jebel Ali Free Zone, JAFZA. Dubai Airport Free Zone, DAFZA. Dubai Multi-Commodities Center, DMCC. Dubai South. 4. Logistics and infrastructure. Ports. Jebel Ali Port is one of the largest ports in the world, offering extensive facilities for cargo handling. Airports. Dubai International Airport and Al Maktoum International Airport cater to high volumes of cargo traffic. Transport network. Utilize Dubai's extensive road and rail network for efficient distribution. 5. Documentation and compliance. Import documentation, commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading/airway bill, certificate of origin, import permit. Export documentation, export declaration, commercial invoice, packing list, certificate of origin. 6. Financial considerations. Banking. Open a corporate bank account with a reputable bank in Dubai. Currency. Transactions are usually conducted in UAE dirhams, AED, or US dollars, USD. Insurance. Secure adequate insurance for your goods in transit. 7. Marketing and networking. Trade shows and exhibitions. Participate in trade shows like Gulfood, Dubai International Boat Show, GITEX, and others. Chambers of Commerce. Join Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry for networking opportunities and business support. 8. Online presence. Website and e-commerce. Create a professional website and consider e-commerce platforms to reach a wider audience. Digital marketing. Utilize SEO, social media, and online advertising to promote your business. 9. Customs and duties. Customs procedures. Familiarize yourself with Dubai customs procedures for smooth clearance. Duties and taxes. Be aware of import-export duties, VAT, and other taxes applicable. 10. Business culture. Cultural awareness. Understand the local business culture, including the importance of building personal relationships and trust. Key industries in Dubai: automotive, electronics, food and beverage, textiles and apparel, precious metals and jewelry, pharmaceuticals and healthcare. Steps to start an import-export business in Dubai. Choose the type of business activity. Determine the products or services you will be dealing with. Select a business structure. Decide between a free zone, mainland, or offshore company. Register your business name. Ensure the name complies with Dubai's naming conventions. Apply for a business license. Obtain the relevant trade license from the DED or Free Zone Authority. Set up office space. Depending on your license type, set up a physical office or a virtual office. Open a corporate bank account, essential for all financial transactions. Apply for import-export code, necessary for customs clearance. Hire staff, if needed. Recruit employees in compliance with UAE labor laws. Starting an import-export business in Dubai can be highly profitable given the right planning and execution. Leveraging the city's strategic advantages and infrastructure can lead to significant opportunities for growth and expansion.